Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to create banners for social media. Are you looking for a guide on how to create banners for social media? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. Right. So we are now in glorify.com and they have a good article, 5 tips to create social media banners online in 2023. So what is a social media banner? Banner advertising uses flash animated GIFs and static images. You can usually spot them in prominent places on a website or across social media platforms. Google ad banners are most common, but Facebook cover pages, LinkedIn background images, and Instagram or Twitch banners also fall into this category. It serves as a visual representation of you, your brand, who you are, and the products and services you provide. What's more, a unified look across all social media platforms will make people recognize you easily, promote interaction, and boost conversion. So, yeah, so when you check somebody's profile, you're going to see a banner, cover photo. On Twitter, there's a cover photo there. On LinkedIn, again, it's not cover photo, but it's called background images. And on Twitch, banners. So these are the same things. It you know, it's your brand, it's your identity. So, what are the benefits of using social media banners? So it creates a strong first impression, extending your reach and building brand awareness, boosting sales, and increase customer satisfaction. Right. So, how to make social media banners that stand out? So, to do this, you need the correct banner size for the social media site that you're using. So, making a banner with the correct dimensions and resolutions is necessary if you want to appear effectively across platforms on all devices. So, because the size requirements for each social media platform vary, your photo may seem great on one platform but entirely off on another. So, for example, you make a cover photo for Facebook. You can't use that for Twitter or for LinkedIn. Like each website has their own dimensions, and you could look it up. So, as you can see here, right, these are some examples, right? Additionally, Facebook has a requirement of 820 pixels by 312 pixels for desktop computers and 640 by 360 for smartphones. LinkedIn has different size requirements depending on your profile, and Instagram seems to change its sizes quite often. So, if you use something like Canva or Snappa, uh, each template has already it's locked in. The size is locked in, so you need to worry. You don't need to worry about resizing your stuff. Um, how to create perfectly sized banners using Glorify. So Glorify is another site like that. Uh, just type in the keyword on the Glorify dashboard, and for example, choose Facebook. It's going to be filtered by niche, right, and theme, and so on and so forth. So there you go. Number two is be concise. Think about the amount of text you want to incorporate into your banner. Too much text is not good. So, like it says here, 20% text, 80% image. I would say 50 or 10%. Number three, don't forget CTA or call to action. It is important to guide your audience on what to do next with a straightforward CTA. You want your audience to buy, subscribe, book, or engage on other actions that advance the brand's goals. So the simple buy now CTA in vivid colors stands out, as you can see here, right? It says buy now. We did this in the Snappa video. Like having an eye-catching CTA is very important. So yeah. And number four, be relatable. Try to evoke an emotional response by making your content valuable to the audience. The worst mistake you can make is to create a banner that makes people indifferent to it. So you need to catch people's attention, and you should make a banner that is visually appealing to people, especially if you're targeting a specific audience, right? Number five, brand it. Be sure that you follow your branding guidelines, your colors, your text, your fonts, your icons, whatever. So because you need customer recognition, you need customer loyalty, brand consistency, credibility, brand values, and stand out among your competitors. Um, so yeah, so if you go to Canva, they also have tips on how to make a banner. So one of these steps: open Canva, choose a template, customize your banner in mere minutes, get creative with designs, ingredients, and then download or share. So, so making an online banner with Canva is easy. Whether you're wanting to dress up your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or LinkedIn profile, our drag and drop editor allows you to customize thousands of free banner templates to make sure that your brand's identity is very visible. So you choose the layout, colors, fonts, and images. So yeah, so like start if you click here, you're gonna go to the banner section, right? Right. So you can choose stuff on the side menu like this, right? Maybe this one, marketing specialist. You have your picture there, and your title, and then your contact information, address, and so on and so forth. You can do that, and you can change the colors, right? You can change this color. You can change this. Of course, this is a stock photo of somebody. Just put your photo there, and yeah, just choose the color and the font and everything relating to your brand or your company. And it's very easy, right? Like, and if you go to another website, Adobe, right? You can make free social media banner designs. So you can create it. It's free. No credit card required. So design a personalized social media banner for free. Get inspired and show off your personality. Customizable social media banner templates. So the Adobe Express Gallery has hundreds of templates you can use for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other social media. So you can see here, right? You can click on create social media banner. And this is Adobe, right? So there are different sites you can use: Canva, Adobe, and others, right? As you can see here, agree to continue, right? And you can just start. So it kind of looks like uh, Canva again. So yeah, like you could just resize it to the specific like type in Facebook cover, right? Wait for it to load, and there you go. Like maybe choose this, right? Let it load, and you can use this, right? You can use this to um yeah, see, it's very editable. Um, you can use this as a banner, right? Just make sure that all of these is centered here most of the time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.